Solar flat plate collectors. As we have already discussed about the main components of solar flat plate collector, it consists of transparent cover, absorber plate, tubes, insulated box. We have also discussed in detail regarding the limitations, requirements and the efficiency part of transparent covers, absorber plates. We will continue the discussion from tubes. Where tubes are the main source of passage of fluids that has to be heated to higher temperatures using the solar flat plate collectors. These tubes are placed behind the absorber plate in series such that the liquid or the fluid passes through them. The tubes are also made of metals like copper or aluminum, whose diameter is around 1 to 1.5 centimeters. All the tubes are in turn connected to a header pipe at bottom and top, which supplies the water into the tubes and collects it back from the other end. As the water flows from bottom, the water that is heated to a higher temperature is collected in the storage tank at the top. The header pipe is also made of the same material, but it has a larger diameter compared to the other tubes. These days, even plastic tubes of low thermal conductivity and a higher coefficient of expansion are also used, because metal tubes have a problem of prone to corrosion with saline liquids, whereas plastic will not have such problem. Steel tubes with inhibitors can also be used in order to overcome this problem. Next comes the insulated box. All the three components, namely transparent cover, absorber plate and tubes, are enclosed in a rectangular box made of galvanized iron sheet. It is insulated in all sides and bottom using glass or mineral wood of thickness 5 to 8 centimeters, thus reducing losses from conduction even at back and side walls. The box is tilted to south and a tilt angle depends on the latitude of location, that is, the place where we are going to arrange this solar flat plate collector will decide the tilt angle. The face area of the collector box is placed between 1 to 2 millimeter square, such that the solar direct and indirect radiation falls onto the solar flat plate collector, thus giving us maximum amount of solar radiation converting into thermal energy. Working mechanism. The sun's short radiations passes through the transparent cover, enters the collector, thus heating the fluid. The absorption plates transfer the heat to the fluid. The hot fluid then moves from the collector point to the storage, that is at the upper top of the solar flat plate collector. As the liquid circulates through the tubes, it absorbs the heat and gets heated. If the heat removal rate is low, then the losses from collector will increase because of high temperature of collector and will thus resulting in low efficiency of the system. Solar flat plate collectors are less efficient in cold weather than in warm weather. However, these flat plates can also collect direct and diffuse solar radiations, thus giving us hot water even on cloudy days. The collecting efficiency of a flat plate collector will always be around 40 to 60% for a temperature rise of about 15% and then drops down to 30% if the temperature further increases. The absorbing efficiency of a flat plate collector increases by applying a coating to collected surface, that is thick black paint. The efficiency can also be improved by coating the glass plate with anti-reflecting coating on the cover. The advantages of flat plate collector are: it utilizes both beam as well as diffuse radiation for heating. It requires less maintenance. It doesn't require a tracking device. So, as per the orientation of the sun, thus its cost comes to a very low value. It can be mechanically simpler in construction as compared to focusing collectors. The disadvantages with solar flat plate collector are: it has large heat losses due to conduction. Since it has no sun tracker, the maximum amount of radiation cannot be used, and it has low temperature attainment. It cannot go to a higher temperature greater than 100 degrees Celsius, and it is not at all portable. Once fixed, it is fixed in the same position. It cannot be changed even from its position that easily. However, there are many applications for a flat plate collector, where this flat plate collector can be used for solar water heating systems in residences, hotels and commercial purposes also. These solar flat plate collectors are also used in desalination of sea water, thus producing clean fresh water from salt water. These solar flat plate collectors are also used as dryers, where various seeds can be dried using the arrangement shown in the picture. Solar water heaters are very common nowadays and is a growing and has a wide growing market globally, where there is no extra requirement of external energy source. Solar cookers is another application where solar energy can be directly used for cooking purposes. These solar cookers also vary depending upon their design and size. Solar flat plate collectors are also used for residence heating in cold countries, where these flat plate collectors are arranged on the roof of the houses, thus providing hot air using a exhaust fan connection into the homes, where the tubes, instead of, as we have already discussed, the liquid that is flowing through solar water heated tubes is replaced with air. This air, once gets heated, it is connected in such a way that heated air passes into the houses, thus heating the residence also. These are the various applications of solar flat plate collector, though its efficiency lies between 40 to 60%. This is the more affordable solar energy converting appliance as far as renewable energy sources are concerned. These solar flat plate collectors can also be used widely for commercial or industrial purposes also, by simply increasing the size of the solar flat plate collectors, or by arranging in parallel connection more number of solar flat plate collectors, as we are shown it in the picture. Thus, solar flat plate collectors can be used for household appliances, or it can be used in large scale for industrial and commercial appliances, where there is no requirement of other alternative energy sources as long as sun shines in the sky. So this is all about our solar flat plate collector.